Welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 in our series on Flask to AWS. In this video, we're going to set up the Elastic Container Registry, ECR, that's going to store our Docker image for our Flask app. Before we get started, you can help me out a lot by doing a few simple things. Supporting me on either Patreon or GitHub sponsors, subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing on platforms you use like Reddit, Discord, etc., starting the repo on GitHub, and also follow me on GitHub. All these help me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to the AWS Management Console. At the top, we're going to search for Elastic Container Registry. Create a repository, get started. We're going to keep it as private because we don't want this repository to be visible to the public. We're going to keep our Docker images secure so for only us to see. Repository name, you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to do AWS ECS demo ECR. And then create a repository. Great, so we have our repository. If we click into it though, we see we have no images. What we're going to do in the next video is we're actually going to walk through the code, create a Docker image locally, and then push that Docker image to ECR so we have our image stored on AWS. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll respond as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.